Now let's start with chapter number 2, types of computer and its parts. In this chapter, we will study about different types of computer. Like we have mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer, supercomputer, and personal computer. These are the different types of computer. Let's start the chapter now. Computer enables us to execute wide range of tasks from games to complex mathematics calculation. ठीक है, गेम्स के साथ साथ हम जितनी भी मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन करते हैं, जितनी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स होगी वो इसको परफॉर्म करता है. Computer differ in size from large to very small and it is estimated that over 1 billion of them are in use worldwide. ये माना गया है कि 1 billion जो है they are used worldwide. Now there are numerous type of computer and people usually choose which type is to based on the task and they want the computer to perform. कि वो किस तरीके का टास्क परफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं. Now we have types of computer. There are 3 types of computer. We have based on size, based on functionality, and based on purpose. Now, type of computer based on size. Based upon their size and function, the 4 categories of computer are described. First is supercomputer. ये बड़े बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वेदर फोरकास्टिंग, साइंटिफिक रिसर्च, डिफेंस में यूज करे जाते हैं. ठीक है. देन वी हैव मेन फ्रेम कंप्यूटर. They are used by huge organization to manage large amount of data. Main task is to include managing customer statistics, census data, and large amounts of data in a single device. For instance, consider the system used as जो trading companies use करती है वो आपका mainframe computer करती है. Then we have mini computer. It was first introduced in mid 1960. They are much smaller than mainframe computer. They are designed with human interaction, control instrumentation, cost effectiveness in mind. And PDP-11, PDP-8, HP 300 सभी किसके example हैं? That are the example of mini computer. Then we have microcomputer जिन्हें हम personal computer भी कहते हैं. ठीक है. ये compact computer है with a microprocessor and CPU. That is reasonably affordable. Minimum circuitry is mounted in a single circuit board like we have desktop, laptop and other similar devices. Let look at some of the microcomputer like we have desktop computer. ये एक personal computer है, stayed at one location, fit on or under a desk. It typically has monitor, keyboard, mouse and tower मतलब system unit. Then we have laptop, portable है, आप जहाँ चाहे वहाँ ले जा सकते हैं उसे. ठीक है. Small enough to rest of the user's lap and can be powered by a battery. इसका ऐसे flip down screen होती है, इसको बंद करना होता है तो आप इसको बंद कर देते हैं. Tablet, it is a wireless touch PC, touch screen PC that is slightly smaller than laptop और ये touch से work करता है. आप इसके apps को by touching on the screen work करता है. Then we have smartphone, which is a mobile phone that performs many of the functions of a personal computer. जो भी आपके functions personal computer perform करते हैं, वो ये function करते हैं. Then we have type of computer based on functionality. If we talk about functionality, we have analog, digital computer. Let's talk about analog computer. Is one that models a problem by using continuously changing characteristics of physical phenomena. They can be electrical, mechanical और hydraulic qualities. ठीक है. ये electrical भी हो सकता है, mechanical भी हो सकता है, इसकी hydraulic qualities भी हो सकती हैं. They are extremely common. ठीक है. ये जो computer होते हैं, what they do, they generally utilize for scientific or industrial purposes. जैसे आपका thermometer. Like we have thermometer, we have speedometer, seismometer, analog clocks. These all are analog computer. What they comes under a analog computer. Then we have digital computer. Digital computer can solve issues in distant format. It is exclusively act on data entered in binary language and can fulfill dynamic role of managing large amount of data, regulating the machine activities. An example of digital computer includes calculator, digital clock, consumer electronic equipments, automobile, smartphone, and so on. Now, hybrid computer. have characteristics of both analog and digital computer. The digital aspects to solve logical operations, whereas analog features solve different equation. Like we have ATMs machine, heartbeat, measuring machine. ये सारी क्या हैं आपकी hybrid computers में. Then we have types of computer based on purpose. Like we have general purpose computer जो हम generally use करते हैं. Like basic input output functions के लिए, calculations के लिए, data saving के लिए, या फिर जर्नल परफॉर्मिंग एक्टिविटीज के लिए. These may include basic calculators, laptop, desktop computer, mobile phones, which can help people with their basic necessary function. Like special purpose is we talk about when computer is designed specially to perform a certain function. इसको हम special purpose computer कहते हैं. Like we have thermometers to test temperature, generators to manage electricity, डिवाइस जिनका हम यूज करते हैं फॉर एनालाइजिंग क्लाइमेट चेंज, लार्ज कंप्यूटर्स फॉर आईटी कंपनीज, मशीन यूज्ड इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट, एंड लिस्ट गोज ऑन एंड ऑन. Then the special purpose computers, they are important for various organization and their application. It is the way that makes the work easy and efficient. ये वे है जिससे आप वर्क को easy और efficient बना सकते हैं. Now, how does a computer work? Computer works in 4 steps: input, storage, processing, and output. Now, first is input. Data before processing, it comes from the mouse, keyboard, microphone, and other external sensor. ठीक है, फिर उसको हम क्या करते हैं, स्टोर करते हैं, मतलब कंप्यूटर में डाटा को रिटेन करते हैं. हार्ड ड्राइव इज यूज फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म एंड मास डाटा स्टोरेज. ठीक है, ये टेम्पररी जो होती है आपकी रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी में स्टोर होती है. देन वी प्रोसेस इट. प्रोसेस करने के लिए उसको हम ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं कि ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं किसमें, आउटपुट में. और कहाँ पे प्रोसेसिंग होती है, सीपीयू में, जो क्या होता है, ब्रेन होता है. Then we have output, which is the final result of data processing. It can be anytime from image, video, or audio content, even the words you type using keyboard. You can also receive the output through a printer or a projector instead of directly through your device. We have IPU cycle, that is input processing, and output cycle. Computer ports. Computer ports is a point of connection or interface between a computer and its peripheral device. Mouse, keyboard, monitor, display unit, printer, speaker, flash drive. What are these? These are the example of common peripherals. ठीक है. Computer ports' primary role is to serve as a point of attachment where cable from the peripherals may be plugged and data can flow from and to the device. What are these? These are some computer ports. Like we have, this is monitor, this is info port, यहाँ पे USB लगा सकते हैं, यहाँ पे CD drive. These are the different ports that we have in our computer. Then characteristics of ports. What are its characteristics? First is external device are connected to a computer using. देखो हम external devices को connect करते हैं इन cables और ports को use करके. Ports are slots on the motherboard into which a cable of external devices plug. जिससे जो cable है external devices की वो plugged हो जाती है. Then let us now discuss a few important types of ports. Like we have inferred ports. They are used to send and receive inferred signals from other devices. ये kind of wireless type port है which is with a limited range जो है इसकी वो 5 to 10 feet. Then USB port, ये एक universal serial bus है that connects device such as mouse, keyboard, printer to a computer. Then we have display port. Display port, if we talk about, connects the monitor to the computer using cable. हम क्या करते हैं, monitor को connect करते हैं कंप्यूटर के साथ यूजिंग केबल. एंड लाइक वीडियोग्राफी कह रहा, VGA या हाई डेफिनेशन HDMI पोर्ट जो होते हैं. ठीक है. देन वी हैव नेटवर्क पोर्ट विच इज़ यूज टू कनेक्ट द इंटरनेट. आपको इंटरनेट या कोई नेटवर्क केबल को कनेक्ट करना है तो हम किसका यूज़ करते हैं, नेटवर्क. ऑडियो पोर्ट हेल्प्स टू कनेक्ट माइक्रोफोन, स्पीकर और हेडफोन. ठीक है, इससे हम क्या करते हैं, माइक्रोफोन को कनेक्ट करते हैं, स्पीकर को और हेडफोन को. Then we have power port. It is used to connect the computer system to the power supply. ठीक है, हम क्या करते हैं, कनेक्ट करते हैं कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को पावर सप्लाई. Now these were the different things. Hope you understood. We will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.